So hi friends, this is Amit and you're on my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I would like to provide you the NSUT cutoff that is expected for a spot run of counseling, as you all are waiting for a spot run of Jack Delhi counseling. As you all know, it will be done from 2nd to 4th of November and detailed schedule will be announced later on the official website of Jack Delhi, and I will try to inform you as soon as they will release it. So the important thing is that here I will try to provide you the expected cutoff for all the branches, all category, Delhi, outside Delhi, male, female. There is safe rank that you can expect for a spot on the counseling, and already I have informed you regarding the IGDTU expected cutoff, triple IT Delhi DTU, and for DSU also I will provide you very soon in the same channel. So please try to subscribe the channel, and if you need complete admission guidance, that is whether you should take the spot round counseling or not, whether you should take the seat, if you will get anything, if you have already got the seat in an IT or triple IT colleges or in BITS colleges. So if you want complete discussion whether to go with this college or that college, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, so that I will suggest you whether you should join the spot round counseling or not, because it is physical and it is not easy to join. So hope you get my point. So let's get started with the CSE cutoff rank. So here is the information: general 12 and 16,000, that is for home state, that is Delhi, and for outside Delhi 5 and 9,000, that is for male and female. After slash it is for female. So if you are a female, you can check the data after the slash. So EWS 27 and 10,000, that is for home state, other state. For OBC 45 and 16,000. For SC 1 lakh and 50,000. And for ST 3.1 lakh and 1 lakh, that is the CRL rank for home state and other state male candidate, and for female you can check after the slash. Now if you talk about for IT cutoff rank, here is the information: general 18 and 8,000, EWS 40 and 50,000, OBC 80 and 18,000, SC 1.3 lakh and 60,000, ST 4.6 lakh and 1 lakh rank. Now if you talk about for CSE AI, here is the information: that is general 7 and 5,000, and EWS 20 and 12,000, OBC 36 and 15,000, SC 1 lakh and 55,000, ST 2.3 lakh and 1 lakh rank. So this was about the CSE AI. So one more time I would like to inform you regarding the seat conversion rule. According to the seat conversion rule, the reserved seat will be given to the general rank student, and home state seat, if it will be remaining vacant, that will be given to other state students. So that's why there will be lots of changes in the cutoff rank, because there will be seat conversion rule applied. I have already provided a separate video regarding that. You can check that video also in the Jack Delhi playlist, or you can check the video in the I button as well as in the description box. You will get the link. So let's continue this video. That is for ITNS. Here is the information: for general 23 and 9,000, EWS 50 and 17,000, OBC 85 and 20,000, SC up to 1.6 lakh and 70,000 you can expect, and for ST 7 lakh and 1 lakh rank, and for female you can check after the slash. Now if you talk about for CSDS, so here is the information: general 18 and 7,000, EWS 34 and 15,000, OBC 75 and 22,000, SC 1.3 lakh and 70,000, ST 5 lakh and 1.1 lakh rank. Now if you talk about for MAC branch, here is the information: general 32 and 12,000, EWS 69 and 20,000, OBC 1 lakh and 23,000, SC 1.8 lakh and 74,000, ST 1.2 lakh, that is for other states. So this was the complete information regarding the MAC cutoff rank. So now let's talk about for EC cutoff rank. Here is the information: general 45 and 14,000, EWS 75 and 20,000, OBC 1.2 lakh and 26,000, SC 2.2 lakh and 1 lakh rank, and ST 8.1 and 1.2 lakh rank. Now if you talk about for electrical engineering, general 75 and 18,000, EWS 90 and 22,000, OBC 1.7 lakh and 30,000, SC 3.7 lakh and 1.1 lakh, ST 1.7 lakh. If you are a female, please try to check after the slash. Now if you talk about the lowest possible one, that is up to highest rank, which rank you will able to get the college in NSUT this year. That is for general 1.5 lakh and 36,000, EWS 1.7 lakh 55,000, OBC 3.2 lakh 70,000, SC 8.2 lakh and 1.3 lakh, and for ST it is 2.5 lakh. So this was all about the NSUT cutoff that you can expect for this year spot run of counseling. So hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel, so you will be getting all the updated information in the same channel at the right time. Thanks.